Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. My name is Lulu Bella Manati. Today, I will explain about imagery, rhythm, and matter. So, first, I will discuss about imagery. What is imagery? Imagery is language used by poets, novelists, and other writers to create images in the mind of the reader. Imagery includes figurative and metaphorical language to improve the reader's experience through their sense. How many imagery in the poetry or novels? There are 7 imagery on the novels. First, visual imagery. Second, kinesthetic imagery. Third, auditory imagery. Fourth, 40 organic imagery. 50, textile imagery. 6, gustatory imagery. And last, olfactory imagery. What is visual imagery? Visual imagery is the most common type using qualities such as shape, color, light, shadow, or pattern to create an image in the reader's mind. Example, her face was beautiful with rosy cheeks. Kinetic imagery. Kinetic imagery is the imagery produced from an experience that form of movement, example, object fall or animals move. Some example sentence is, he jumped into the air, feeling like he was flying. Auditory imagery. Auditory imagery describes what we hear from music to noise to pure silence. Example song. Organic imagery. Organic imagery is the imagery that emerges from our minds. Organic imagery can be seen in the disclosure of feelings such as hunger, starving, darkness. Textile imagery. Textile imagery describe what we feel or touch. Example, feeling of movement. Gustatory imagery. Gustatory imagery is imagery that portrays the experience of our sense of taste, a taste of things, example, spicy and sweet. And last, olfactory imagery. Olfactory imagery is the imagery associated with our sense of smell, a smell of things that can be described based on the experience of smell from your nose is an example of olfactory imagery. Example, the smell of fragrant bird can trigger the brain to imagine bird. So, now we discuss about rhythm. So, what is rhythm? Rhythm is an interesting element of poetry that only comes when a poem was written. Rhythm refers to the overall tempo or pace at which the poem unfolds, while meter refers to the measured beat established by pattern of stressed and unstressed syllables. So, what is a syllabus? What is a stressed syllabus? What is an unstressed syllabus? Is syllable any one of the part into which a word is naturally divided when it is per notes. Merriam-Webster dictionary said that. Then, what is stressed syllable? Syllable, the part of the word that is emphasized. What is an unstressed syllable? The part of the word that is unpaced. The aspect of music comprising all the elements such as action, meter, and tempo that relate to forward movement. Merriam-Webster dictionary offers several definitions for rhythm. An order reassuring alternation of strong and weak elements in the flow of sound and silence in space. Movement, fluctuation, or variation marked by the regular reassurance or natural flow of related elements. Some example of the rhythm. When Isaac drives some rocks fast way to row, the line to labors and the words move slow. To mark the syllabus as being stressed or unstressed, mark unstressed syllabus with a R with O and stressed syllabus with O. Meter. Set of tone in the rhythm call it the meter. Meters can be shaped with monometer, dimeter, trimeter, tetrameter, and pentameter. The meters with two syllables fit are MBX, that time of year through mass in the behold. Toriats, tell me not in the morning of numbers. Spondiats, brick, brick, and brick, on the cold dry stones also. Meters with the three syllables with are anapestic, and the sound of the voice that is still daylight. This is the first for primeval, the murmuring penis, and the humble. Each line of a poem contains a certain number of feet of ambient sounds, spondes, desical, or anapes. A line of 1 foot is a monometer, second feet is a dimeter, and so on, trimeter, tetrameter, pentameter, hexameter, heptameter, and octameter. A line of poetry can be broken into feet, which are individual units within a line of poetry. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.